Hi there and welcome to the course lecture. Here we are going to study how you can use Python dictionaries in PyScript. So let's start. We make one person or employee and use one dictionary, dict function. And if you don't know how to use dict, please refer to my complete Python series. It's in Hindi language and English language also. So let's say name is Sid and then age is 23 and then address is Dubai. That's it. Now you can go like this, like for example print employee and grab the key which you want to print. In my case I'm going to grab this plus one space plus employee because the age is of type int. So I am going to typecast this into a string str like this, and plus we can also give the address. And because output is set to result, this is going to output inside this h1 tag. Let's give some margin from the top like this, and for now let's change our color to some darker color. Let's cancel this, hit reload. Let's compile down everything and let's check what happens. Yeah, you got your answer. So that's it for the video. If you like the video, please do hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. Keep supporting and I am going to provide you each and every technology available. Till then, I will see you in the next lecture and keep learning.